Hey everybody, it's Friday, July 9th, I think. Just got home from work. Town job, I guess we'd call it. Um, we got a lot of rain. A lot of rain. And I am not expecting that the pond is going to hold all of this moisture. But for right now, it's showing me that my dig itself is going the way I wanted it to. And we're going to take a look at what it's doing today. So here is where the pond sits right now. According to the weather station, I might be getting 2 more days of rain, but it might be patchy, and it probably won't be quite as heavy as the downpour today was. But the general idea is that water will come in here, and this hose is just there because that's where it reaches. And then water intermingles in the deepest part of the pond in here, and then exits this way, and I think this is all duck damage and browse, but I'm hoping that they will either direct the water along this side of the mound or that side of the mound so that we can direct it further back into the woods where we are building mounding and terracing. So this is about as full as the pond was designed to get. I'm deeply interested to know how the sudden influx of water shaped the earth below the level here, but I'm very glad to see that all of the water force directed a lot of the floating bits to this area, and even though there is duck browse, we can kind of see where it was directing. So it kind of looks to me like the water hit this pile of straw here, and then the ducks went digging with their bills, which is pretty much what they do. So far, they are pretty much ignoring a lot of the sprouts. A lot of these green guys that are popping up here are either sunflowers or millet or different grasses. There are some beets in here. There are some carrots in here because they seemed to like the greens of those. Just trying to provide various forages for them. And if not for them, then the bugs that they will attract will certainly be interesting browse and forage for them. And just providing them an overall more natural space to enjoy their days in until they go home with another loving family. So, I'm very pleased. I'll be interested to see what the rate of drop is, and I'll probably start taking pictures. Hopefully be able to document how fast this drains, see where the level of water seems to stabilize, which lets me know where my sealing is good and where the pond sealing is lacking. I'd be willing to bet that the uppermost 6 to 8 inches would need another layer of clay from all of the duck manure. But it's been nice because we've been able to just kind of dredge it out up until full. But I think with a bilge pump sunk to the bottom, I think we can kind of muck up and just redeposit at the top and let it resettle and continually just filter it down and add in more aquatic plants to take up some of the extra nutrient while the duck manure settles and creates the layer sealing the pond and allowing this to fully mature into what we'd like. So yeah, that's what's going on today. Hope all of your gardens weathered the storm all right. I hope you've got lots of rain capture, whether it's in totes or in cisterns or in your swales, or in your hugel mounds, wherever you were able to capture the water. Hope you're having as great a time with it as these guys are. As always, thanks for watching.